So I think that is clear. Minus IH cross y dou by dou z minus z py is minus IH cross dou by dou y. Okay. Similarly, you can write these Ly and Lz as minus IH cross minus IH cross. Okay. Z into dou by dou x minus x into dou by dou z. Then Lz is x dou by dou y minus y dou by dou x. Okay, that is easy. You just write the operator representation for px, py, and pz in coordinate representation. So you get these three equations. Now L square is nothing but Lx square plus Ly square plus Lz square. That is the usual equation L dot L. But we are not going to use that. But I am simply saying L square is nothing but this one. Now again you take that equation L equal to x cross p or r cross p. Okay, so this can be written as x cross minus IH cross del. Okay, now we have to, I think you are comfortable with the spherical polar coordinates, conversion between Cartesian and spherical polar coordinates. So this is Cartesian coordinate x, z, and y. Okay, now consider a vector. This is the x vector, okay, or r vector, vector r or vector x, and this angle is angle with the z axis is phi. So this angle is the phi angle. So this component is the r cos phi, and the component in the xy plane is, its projection in the xy plane is r sin phi. This is r sin phi, and this is r cos phi. Now the component of r sin phi along the x and y direction, okay, it is, this is r sin, take this angle as theta. The projection, take the angle between projection and the x-axis as theta. Okay, so r sin phi, its component is x cos theta, r sin phi cos theta. So this is r sin phi cos theta, adjacent component. Similarly, this y component is r sin phi sin theta. So we can write the x, y, and z coordinates in spherical polar coordinates as x equal to, this is r sin phi, okay, cos theta. Then y component is r sin phi sin theta, and the z component is r cos phi. Okay, I think this is it is very familiar to you, very easy, very simple. Now vector x can be written as magnitude of vector x, which is r, and the unit vector r. Vector x can be written as magnitude of vector x, which is r. Okay, so magnitude of vector x is r, and unit vector r. Okay, so substitute this and also we know, before substituting, we know some more things. you add all these x square plus y square plus z square, you get r square. X square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. Okay, just like a sphere of radius r. Now the spherical polar coordinate del and del operator and del square operator is known to us. Okay. Now del is nothing but unit vector r dou by dou r plus unit vector theta 1 by r dou by dou theta plus unit vector phi 1 by r sine theta dou by dou phi. Now substitute this del here, and instead of x you put r into unit vector r. Okay, so vector L is minus IH cross. Okay, vector L is minus IH cross, then x cross del. Okay, x cross del. Then x is this one, r into unit vector r. Del is this one. Okay, so you can write r into, okay, r cross r dou by dou r. Okay, r into unit vector r cross this one, r into unit vector r cross dou by dou r. Okay, plus again this one into this one, so the r cancels. Okay, see this r and this r cancels, r cancels, so we get unit vector r cross theta, unit vector theta, then dou by dou theta, plus here also r cancels. Okay, so unit vector r cross phi, unit vector phi, then 1 by sine theta dou by dou phi. This is the L, vector L. Okay, in terms of r theta and phi. Vector L in terms of r theta and phi. Now we know that this r cross r is, r cross r is 0. Unit vector r cross unit vector r, that is 0. Also, what is r cross theta? R cross theta is unit vector phi. Okay, and r cross phi, this one, r cross phi is, order is reversed, so minus theta, unit vector theta, minus theta. I think that is clear. Order is odd permutation, so r cross phi, so that is minus theta. So you substitute all these, you get L equal to minus IH cross. Okay, here it is phi, unit vector phi dou by dou theta